Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Trevor Castiglione. Trevor is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Trevor.
Thank you.
So today I want to talk to you about infrastructure. If elected to town council, what are your priorities when it comes to the town?
Well, I'd have to say my first priority would be looking at why we are having all of these flooding problems over so many years. I think that there's many issues when there's coming to this flooding from, in general, the fact that we haven't looked down the road at what we have to do, things that need to be done, and not have to do them numerous times. Our roads, same example. I'm seeing it time and time again. We're doing a roadway, perfect example would be Faulkner, and 6 months later they're tearing it up to redo it. Well, this is a huge expense to the taxpayers. We also have a transit system that we can't seem to get under control, in my personal opinion. We're contracting it out to First Student. Why are we doing that? I'm not seeing the savings from what I've been shown in the budget in the past. Maybe it's something we should explore and see if the town could take care of it itself. There's many different issues that we could address today, but I'd end up taking too much of your time, unfortunately. I just think that there needs to be more common sense used when it comes to everything when it's things like this.
Perfect. Well, thanks very much for sharing your ideas.
Thank you.
If you'd like to see more of what Trevor has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.